Hey y'all! Okay, what you're going to need is some red fingernail polish, some clear fingernail polish, and a toothpick. Okay, first you're going to want to open your red fingernail polish and put a nice long streak across the tip of your fingernail. Nice thick layer. Then put a little dab on the side of the bottle so that you can take your toothpick, dip it into it, and make nice bloody runny streaks like so. Okay, after the red fingernail polish has had time to dry, you're going to want to put a very thick layer of clear fingernail polish on top of that. This will protect the design you just made. And there you go. This was very simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe to MissStarTv. Remember to follow me on Twitter and Instagram for updates and more. And show your support on Patreon to become a part of our star family. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.